Good afternoon, students. Today let me learn about disaccharides. Di means two. Disaccharides are sugars that yield two molecules of monosaccharides on hydrolysis. Okay. So disaccharides means di means two. So that means it have two monosaccharides. Okay. So disaccharides are sugars that yield two molecules of monosaccharides on hydrolysis. Disaccharides on hydrolysis to get two monosaccharides, two molecules of monosaccharide. This reaction is usually catalyzed by dilute acid or enzyme. Disaccharides का general formula CnH2O n-1 time. In disaccharides, two monosaccharides are linked by oxide linkage called glycosidic linkage. Okay, disaccharide means two molecules of monosaccharides. That two molecules of monosaccharides are linked by oxide linkage. That oxide linkage is called glycosidic linkage. Glycosidic linkage, which is formed by the reaction of anomeric carbon of one monosaccharide react with a hydroxyl group of another monosaccharide. Okay, so that glycosidic linkage formed between the that carbon of one monosaccharides reacts with the hydroxyl group of another monosaccharide. So a disaccharide examples are sucrose, lactose, maltose. First let me learn sucrose. Sucrose commonly known as table sugar. It is the most abundant disaccharide. It is obtained mainly from the juice of sugarcane and sugar beets. Insects such as honeybees have the enzyme called invertase. Okay, honeybee have the enzyme called invertase that catalyze the hydrolysis of sucrose to a glucose and fructose mixture. Sucrose is hydrolyzed in presence of invertase to form glucose and fructose. On hydrolysis of sucrose yield glucose and fructose. Okay, sucrose on hydrolysis in presence of invertase to form glucose and fructose. Sucrose formula C12H22O11. C12H22O11 on hydrolysis to give glucose and fructose. Glucose and fructose same formula, but glucose having the aldehyde group, fructose keto group. Glucose is a aldohexose, fructose is a ketohexose. Sucrose plus 66.6 degree and sucrose 52.5 or dextrorotatory compounds with while fructose are levorotatory. So sucrose is a dextrorotatory compounds. Glucose is a dextrorotatory compounds. Fructose is a levorotatory compound. During hydrolysis of sucrose, the optical rotation of reaction mixture changes from dextro to levo. Okay, during hydrolysis, sucrose, the optical rotation of the reaction mixture changes from dextro to levo. Hence, that sucrose is also called invert sugar. Why sucrose is also called invert sugar? During hydrolysis of sucrose, the optical rotation of the reaction mixture changes from dextro to levo. So, sucrose is also called as invert sugar. Structure of sucrose. Sucrose C1 of alpha D glucose is joined to C2 of beta D fructose. See the structure of sucrose. Carbon 1 of the D glucose joined to C2 of beta D glucose. C2 of beta D fructose. The glycosidic bond thus formed is called alpha 1 to glycosidic bond. Okay, the glycosidic bond is alpha 1 to glycosidic bond. Alpha 1 2 means carbon, first carbon of alpha D glucose joined to second carbon of fructose. Okay. Sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. Next, let me learn lactose. Lactose is a disaccharide. Lactose also a disaccharide found in milk of mammals, and hence it is referred to as milk sugar. Okay, so the lactose is present in milk of mammals, so it is also called milk sugar. On hydrolysis of lactose, it yields galactose and glucose. On hydrolysis of lactose to form galactose and glucose. Beta D galactose and beta D glucose are linked by beta 1,4 glycosidic bond. Okay, so this is the structure of lactose. Alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. Sorry, this is the structure of lactose. This one is the structure of sucrose. Okay, so alpha D glucose and beta D fructose. This is the structure of lactose. Beta D galactose and beta D glucose. Beta D galactose and beta D glucose are linked by beta 1,4 glycosidic bond. This bond is a 1,4 glycosidic bond. The aldehyde carbon is not involved in glycosidic bond. Okay, here that aldehyde carbon is not involved in glycosidic bond. Hence, it retains the reducing property is called reducing sugar. That lactose also, sucrose is a invert sugar, lactose is a reducing sugar. Why lactose is called as reducing sugar? The aldehyde carbon is not involved in the glycosidic bond. Hence, it retains the reducing property. So, it is called reducing sugar. Next, let me learn maltose. Next, let me learn maltose. Maltose also an example for disaccharides. Maltose derives its name from malt, from which it is extracted. It is commonly called as malt sugar. Malt from sprouting barley. So, sprouting barley is the major source of maltose. Maltose is produced during digestion of starch by the enzyme alpha amylose. Maltose consists of two molecules alpha D glucose units linked by alpha 1,4 glycosidic bond. That bond between anomeric carbon of one unit and carbon 4 of other unit. Since one of the glucose has the carbonyl group intact, it also acts as a reducing sugar.